In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use your calculator to find or calculate the probability of normal distribution. So the first thing to note is that the normal distribution is different from the standard normal distribution. The normal distribution has the probability density function in this form. Probability of having an event occurring between A and B, or having a value between A and B, is given by the definite integral from A to B, and we have our E, we have X, the random variable, we have our mean, our population mean, and we have sigma. Sigma is our standard deviation, the X. So know that X must be normally distributed. You should have A, you should have B, you should have your mean, and you should have your standard deviation. If you don't have it, you should look for it. So let's take a question. This question says X is normally distributed with a mean of 30 and a standard deviation of 5. Find the probability of having an event of having a value between 20 and 40, probability of 20 less than or equal to X, less than or equal to 40. If we write it down in this form, Xn shows that it's normally distributed. If you have P or B, then it's not normally distributed. So looking at this carefully, you will see that the 20 and 40 are in the range of 2 standard deviation, because 30 going back one standard deviation is 25, going back 2 standard deviation is 20, going forward 1 standard deviation is 35, going forward 2 standard deviation is 40. So it shows that it's within the range of 2 standard deviation. And if you are familiar with your normal distribution graph, know that the probability of an event occurring within 2 standard deviation is usually 95.45%. So let's confirm that using our calculator. So the calculator I have here is the mobile version. Is very similar to the normal scientific calculator. The first thing to note is that your calculator must be in the normal mode. If it's not in the normal mode, you should reset to normal mode. So the first function we call is our definite integral. We have lower boundary as 20, the upper boundary as 40. We type 2 brackets, so don't forget 2 brackets. We have shift and ln to get our E. So we have minus, open a bracket, the random variable X, that is alpha X, minus our mean is 30, close the bracket, squared raised to the power of 2 over, we have 2 multiplied by the standard deviation 5 squared. Then we close one of these brackets, so the brackets must be in this same level. If we should type in our bracket here, you see that they are not in the same position, so we have to put them at the same level, that is down here. So we press the over again. We have 5, our standard deviation, multiplied by root of 2 pi, shift, we have pi, close the bracket, and we close the last bracket with this and we press equal to. So it's going to take a while before it shows the result. If you have a calculator with more power, it should bring the result out quickly. So we have our result as 0.9544997361, a very accurate result. So this is approximately 0.9545 multiplying by 100. We have 95.45%. So don't forget, it must be a normal distribution in the form probability of a less than or equal to x less than or equal to b. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye.